addiction to change our minds. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. As you can tell from the title, we're about to get into some Easter vibes in the house, but first we gotta get rid of the St. Patrick's Day stuff. So let's do that. Let's rewind. Let's take it back. Take it back. No. Well, let's go back and see how we got to this point.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming. Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here.
just find you and I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it, yeah, 'cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better. Making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me.
Okay, so right here, nothing major, just a little welcome sign that came from the Dollar Tree. And that egg also came from the Dollar Tree. Something cute for the front. Okay, so the focal point for the dining table is a gold tray that has just a variety of different colored eggs. The bar cart, we have this sign. I thought it was cute because it had glitter on it. She don't want to stay. Come on. Come on! Okay, there we go. Sometimes you gotta yell a little bit. But yeah, added the egg and a little bunny. For the actual dining table, got a little display of eggs with the flowers, coordinates, and a candle. Flowers and another egg. As you can tell what the theme is. Just Easter eggs. Then we have this really cute door. Noise maker type deal. Look at the kitchen. Really cutesy. So here on the bunny chair cover-ups, those are really, really cute. And then here on the island that's attached to the wall, I don't recall anybody ever told me what it means, what it is, but we have this lawn. It's like a little mini lawn. And the eggs are hidden in the grass. And we got this cute little two-tier tray. This came from Dollar Tree as well. Another tray that has eggs in it. As you can see, I still am basking in the ambience and turning 39. A little happy Easter display going on here. Another happy Easter display going on here, along with the pink lights. And we have these bunny lights, but I can't figure out how to get the thing open to turn them on. But that's why I just turned the pink lights on. Those are draped around as well. Then we have the happy Easter sign from the Dollar Tree. Easter eggs from the Dollar Tree. And then, of course, Miss Pink Bow is just topping it off. Topping off the look. We have an Easter basket filled with eggs. Filled with surprises. Not really, I'm just telling y'all that. And then we got a little bunny going on over here. Cute, see for under the TV. And then we have the Easter tree. What's the Easter song I can sing? Heroes? Well, I don't know. But y'all know heroes from the dead. On the third day. But we have bunny ears at the top. We have little sequin eggs going all around the tree. And then we have these big eggs as well. All of that stuff came from Hobby Lobby. And there's also some that's hanging from it as well. Let me turn the lights on so you can see it with the lights on. Well, this is what it, well, I guess it's not really much of a difference, but really cute, see? So yeah, keeping it simple with the Easter decor this year, because when I went shopping, a lot of the stuff was gone. So had to make do with what I got. So next year when they go ahead and put like all the seasonal stuff out, I can go in, I know what I got already, and I can just build onto it. But this is probably gonna be the last of the Christmas tree for this season. Yeah, my mom was like, oh, you got Memorial Day coming up. What am I gonna put on it? No. So yeah, this is gonna be the last month for the Christmas tree. But yeah, I kept the decorations very simple, very minimal. It's still cute. See, it's still a little Easter vibe going on in the house. On the porch, I kept that same green doormat, and then I just added another Happy Easter sign to it. But again, when I went shopping for stuff, y'all had done dogged it out already. So this is what, you know, I pretty much left the pen for. So I hope you guys enjoyed the decor, the simplicity. Let me know if y'all decorated for Easter, what the vibe is like. Do you still have your Christmas tree up? How much longer are you gonna let it stay up? Are you gonna let it just stay up till Christmas next year, or what's the vibe? But let me know down in the comments. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure, of course, you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on, so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love.